So we take this guy here, and we're going to go ahead and fire it up. And watch the LEDs flash fast. That starts right away the inducer fan. 18 seconds later, these guys are going to fire up. You can hear the igniters down here, and you'll be able to see the flame. For the igniters, there you go. And it opens up the gas valve. You can see that. Okay. You're going to get a lot of heat coming out of here. About, let me say, about 1,300 degrees comes out of here. And down here, I think it's allowed to get just under 500 degrees before this right here would actually make it trip. That little okay, so as it heats up, it's all good. Alright. Okay. And yeah, a minute and 4 seconds after the exchanger heats up, of course the blower fan motor comes on. And let's just pretend that it has hit the temperature that you want inside the dwelling. We'll go ahead and since it stops, the fan, the gas will get cut. That motor will still run. Actually, it cuts it off. Excuse me, this will start to cut off when the gas goes off. And then what will happen for a minute and 32 seconds, the main fan, indoor fan motor will continue to run until these guys cool off. And then that'll complete its cycle. Okay, I hope this was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye now.